This is Bruce's 79 Lincoln Continental. It came in needing, the power windows weren't working, which on these Lincolns is a problem. So we have managed to get guts out of the doors, and we were replacing his window motors. And the good thing about Lincolns, if you guys are replacing window motors, they leave 3 dimples. And those 3 dimples are perfectly lined up to pull the screws out of the motor, so you don't have to pull the whole track out. That's not a lot of old people know that. But this has done been cleared for the screws. So we've got them pulled, and we've got the motor out. We actually got it working again. But customer, he got some new motors, Dandy motors. They're modern. Here's the problem. These are 9.2, these are 7. These are substantially larger than the original, so it won't let it go into its gear and do its job. So we're gonna take these originals apart, clean them, put them back together, and they should work like new ones again. We actually got this one working in the car, so maybe we can send those back. Let me show you the other side. This side over here, not yet done, but his vent glasses are also missing. But you'll notice see the dimples, dimple, dimple, dimple. And those are in perfect alignment to get to the screws to the motor. You just take a step bit, get enough room to get a 5/16 in there. At some point, vent window got busted. You can tell from all the disco shards. So we're going to replace that one, and we'll pull these motors out and go through and make sure they're working good. There's his old vent window. But a really nice car otherwise, though. Somebody went ahead and took the vinyl top off. That's probably what saved the roof. These Lincolns like to rot. Through the 400. Runs good. That choke's hanging in there a little too long. Good car though. Side's inoperable. Tay's pulling the panel off so we can get down to the guts. Get the glass out of this side. He's checking for voltage. This car, that choke is staying on a dab long. I'm gonna go ahead and set it for him too. It'll burn your eyes in here. I'm cutting it off. Key on. Got anything? All right, hit her. Look at there. Now all the windows work. Now we just gotta wait on this urethane to dry so we can drop the new vents in their holes. And we'll tweak his carburetor and put his new switches in, and this will be a wrap. At least he'll be able to roll the window down when he's riding through Biloxi. And for future reference, the rear windows are 9-tooth larger gear. The front ones are 7-tooth smaller gear. So that what happened was he ended up ordering 2 sets of rear window motors. So we was able to put a new one in that one because the old one was pretty well fried. Probably could have rebuilt it. I see her sitting right there. Yep, that's the one.
That's the one right there.
But the new one went in quite well on it. So again, we'll get it popped back down, get the door panel back in it. But he's got 4 working. Next step is get these vent windows in. We've got them put together. We just got to get them in a track. We got to move this trim and get it locked into its holder, if you'll see down in there. This guy here, I'm pointing at, it's got to be loosened up so it can slide into it. And that's the track for the smoker's vent. If you'll remove your window guide deals, it'll give you room to pull the glass over. You can get to that screw back there for that center one. Right there. And with that chrome sweep out of the way, it gives you more room to finagle this unit here into place. And she'll go up and down. Going up, down, up, down. First, you gotta loosen these guys here too so it gets room to slide into it. And she is in. We gotta get that guy in that track and tighten everything back up. And after some much of the holding the mouth correctly, down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Up. It does do better if the car's running, more volts, but how you like that? Money, dude. All right, both seats is working. We're about to call it done. We're gonna adjust his hood down and set his choke on his carb, and this will be wrapping it up.